Hello, I'm Marisol Cruz from lutterloh.ca. Today I want to answer a frequent asked question about the regular kit and the XXL complete kit from the Lutterloh Patterns. Which system is better for you? The regular one or the XXL complete kit? The Lutterloh system offers two complete kits, the regular one and the complete kit for XXL sizes. And I find frequently that you can ask you which one is better for you. Do you need the XXL? Well, sometimes maybe you have bust measurement from 40 inches or hip measurement something like 46 inches. And you don't know which one is better for you. The main difference between the regular patterns and the XXL patterns are the sizes that they are designed for. So I'm going to explain you both of them. And you can recognize them for the color of the pattern and the scale in the kit. So the regular complete kit comes with 280 different styles. You have here for men and for kids and the regular sizes. Here you have the scale. The scale comes white and starts from 50. Remember that in the Lutterloh system we work with only two measurements, bust contour and hip contour. And the scale represents bust or hip contour. Take your bust or hip measurement in centimeters and you have the scale attached in the other side and you find your bust or hip measurement with a pin in the scale and you work your patterns to your measure. So we start in the regular one from 50 up to 140. 50 is for babies, something like 1 year old, and 140 corresponds equals 55 inches. This will be bust or hip contour. In the regular kit you have 280 different styles. You have a lot of options for winter, for spring, for fall and summer, of course, for men, for kids. You have the regular ones and the full figure patterns that come with more ease. And they are a lot from regular and full figure in the collection. So you have also this pattern that are comfortable and are classic and are basic. Remember that you can transform, mix and match the neckline, the sleeve, the length of a blouse to a dress, so you can design your own collection made to your measure. Here you have the full figure. The black figure is designed with more ease, that you can work from 100 centimeters, something that corresponds to 39 inches, up to, of course, 140, the biggest size in the scale, that is 55 inches. And you can also go two little holes upper in the scales to give you something like 144 centimeters bust or hip contour. That corresponds to something like 56 inches. And you will find in the regular kit a lot of styles, also for men, also for kids. This is designed for all the family, pattern for all your sewing projects. And you can find The regular ones will be a little more fitted, and the black figure will be with more ease. They are beautiful and comfortable. In the regular edition, you will find the style, and remember, you have all the patterns in the back part. So this is the pattern you work with, and these patterns, the regular one comes in yellow, and the scales to work with is in white. And of course, to update your styles, we have the special edition. For example, this one is like is full figure collection, and is like the black figure pattern that works from 100 up to 140. It's mean so in inches corresponds to 39 to 55 inches bust or hip contour. This one is the special edition 34. Comes with 62 patterns to work with, and it's beautiful pants, blouses, different kind of dresses, and you can have beautiful patterns from this collection. I made already some ones. I love them. You can get the complete kit also with the rulers. And in the other side we have the XXL edition. This one works from 110, that corresponds to 43 inches bust or hip contour, up to 170. That corresponds something like 67 inches. This starting from 110, it goes up to 170, and this one is in blue. You have in the complete kit, you can have the collection 1 that comes with 97 patterns. I have here the collection 2. In the collection 1 you can find for men also and active wear. There are basic beautiful patterns too. You can see them in the web page lutterloh.ca, lacoupeDor.ca, elcortedeoro.lutterloh.ca. This one is the collection 2 that comes with 64 patterns. In this collection you will find pants, skirts, tops, different kind of sleeves, jackets. This is more trendy. This is the new version. If you have the collection 1, you can update with the special edition, the update for the XXL kit, and we have it in the website. You also can get both collection in the complete kit with the rulers. You can access in the website. We have it also in French and in Spanish. So the patterns come in blue, and the scale that works with this pattern is the blue one. So to answer your question, if you have 46 inches in hip contour, that corresponds to 117 centimeters, you can work beautiful with the regular one. You have a lot of more options and more styles, and you can update with the special editions. I have also available the collection 30, 31 and 32 that are beautiful, and you can find also beautiful projects in the supplement. This goes quarterly by season, so you can have more patterns in the black figure size that comes with more ease. This one is the 318 fall supplement. So in the regular one you can update easily, and you are more limited with the XXL, but you have beautiful patterns that works from 110 centimeters up to 170. Beautiful patterns XXL. I hope that this little video helps you to clarify if which is better for you, which system, the regular one or the XXL complete kit to your needs. If you have any question, you can write us to service@lutterloh.ca, or you can follow us in Facebook, Lutterloh Canada. Thank you very much.